In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in Google Docs without formatting. Have you ever found yourself frustrated by the process of trying to paste text into a Google Doc only to have it come in with all sorts of unwanted formatting? Whether it's bold text, different fonts, or unwanted hyperlinks, it can be a real headache to clean up. Well, worry no more, because I'm here to guide you through a simple solution that will make this annoyance a thing of the past. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive. Once there, you're going to sign in with your email and password. It's as simple as typing in your email, clicking Next, and then entering your password. Once you're signed in and looking at your Google Drive, locate the specific Google Doc you want to work with. This part is pretty straightforward. Just find your document from the list or use the search function if you have a lot of files there. Click on the one you're interested in to open it. Now here's where the magic happens. Once your document is open and you have the text you wish to paste, normally you might press Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to paste your text. But doing so would also bring along all the formatting from its source, which is not what we want this time. Instead, you're going to use a special keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+V on Mac. This nifty shortcut allows you to paste your text without carrying over any of the formatting from its original source, meaning your pasted text will match the formatting of your Google Doc. And there you have it. With just a simple change in your pasting habits, you can maintain the integrity and formatting of your Google Docs without any extra hassle. This trick is particularly useful for those who are compiling information from various sources, or if you're someone who cares deeply about the presentation of your documents. Remember, it's all about the Control or Command key, along with Shift and V. Think of it as pasting with a clean slate. This little shortcut can save you from the tedious task of manually changing font sizes, styles, or removing hyperlinks one by one. So the next time you're working in Google Docs and you need to paste text, keep this tip in mind. It's a simple trick, but it significantly streamlines your workflow and keeps your documents looking clean and professional. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it makes your document creation process smoother and more efficient. Happy pasting and see you in the next video.